what's up, Dabbergens? Welcome to my vlog nito. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin yung Chroma key sa Kinemaster. Simple ways kung paano gamitin. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button below and please like and comment down any thoughts about the way how I show kung paano gamitin yung Chroma key in this vlog. So, alright, so first, punta tayo sa application ng Kinemaster. So, there you go. Alright, so nag-open yung Kinemaster. Next, we have to make first yung pangalan mo. Example, lagay ka muna ng black screen. Then, layer ka ng text. Pwede yung vlog ko. Please subscribe to my vlog pala. Okay. Pwede mong palitan yung font sa Android or Latin. So, sa akin mas gusto ko yung Latin. Alright. So, and then pwede mo din dagdagan. Pwede mong dagdagan yung text. Ganun natin ng 9. Oh. Yan. Then, change color from white to green para sa chroma key. And then you can add the animation. In animation, it's either white, right? Pwede mo din itong in animation white right. Yan. And then out animation. Pareho din sila. Fade. Ayan. So, pagtapos na, export na natin. There you go. Ayan, malapit na. And then, gawa ulit tayo yung new project. First, ilagay na natin yung gusto nating video na ipakita sa pangalan or sa dobber na na-edit natin kanina. Pwede natin i-cut. And then, mag-add layer ka, media. Yung next part mong na-edit mo kanina, just add it. And then, full screen. Click, and then go to Chroma key. Chroma key, I'm sorry. So, there you have it. Yan, panoorin na natin. Yan. Pwede mo din siyang i-cut. Ayan, so pwede natin lagyan ng music. Oh, wala pa tayo. Tingnan muna natin. And then there you have it. Export na natin. Ayan, malapit na. So, it's ready to watch na po. And so, there you go. Yan po. And then, back. If you want to know more kung paano gamitin yung mga editing effects ng Kinemaster, Vlogg, or any editing apps, just click the bell button below and subscribe so that you'll be notified sa lahat ng ipopost kong video about how to use those effects. So, ayun guys, but before you end this video, please like and subscribe. Also my social accounts nandito po. So, there you go. See you next time.